Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. In this episode, I'm working on an Athearn diesel locomotive, a GP9, and it's the Great Northern. What I have in front of me is a Athearn blue box. It's the GP9, the Great Northern, number 200. It's in great shape. And it's got all the railings. Got to replace these hook and horn couplers. Does work. Hook this up. Wouldn't you know it? When I show it to you, it doesn't go on. There we go. Does need a little bit of cleaning. This is all filthy right here, because that could be the reason. Gotta scrape all this black off this thing, off the armature. Let's take it apart. Take the connector off. It's probably not going to use that. See if I could get the light off. This really doesn't want to come off. Motor mounts definitely need to be changed. Oh, look at that filth. This was so dry, it shattered. After removing what's left of the motor mounts, I moved on to the truck assembly. You get this is screwdriver right underneath the cap. Give it a little twist. Then you can take the worm gear off, but be careful you don't lose the bushing. And the brush washer that's underneath it. Do the same thing for the second truck. Remove the top gearbox clip and the bottom gearbox clip. And the truck assembly comes apart. Removing the gears. Okay. Everything is taken apart. Gonna shut it off at this point, clean everything, and then come back, put it all back together. All the parts have been cleaned. I put liquid tape down the center here. And I banged the little tabs flat, bottom of the motor. Soldered two motor wires on, one red, one black. Got new motor mounts. The other ones fell apart. I cleaned and lubricated the gears. There we go. I got little screws bolted down. Put the trucks back on. You want this piece here facing away from you, and the light is at the front. You want to line up this little pin with that hole. Then you put the worm gear back on. Align the bushings, and the worm gear will slip in place. Give it a little grease and lock it in place. Do the same thing for the other side. First part is all done. Just have to cut a little piece off of here so I can put it right there. I'm gonna keep working on it and show you the progress. It's all put together. Got the motor in place. I soldered everything to this copper circuit. Red goes motor wire comes up. Each of the wheels have the red connection on the right. Got a ground wire coming from what used to be the light up to the black side. And then I connected LEDs. It goes on. Just have to put screws over here, hold the motor in place, and then test it on the track. Before that, I need to do the couplers. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.